You are going to love the 2008 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, backup camera, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.